Hi guys, in this video, we'll guide you to the steps on how to fix checkout rejections on Shopee. So if you encounter issues during the checkout process, then stay tuned for helpful solutions to ensure a smooth shopping experience. Now let's dive in. Alright, so start by reviewing the payment method you've selected for your Shopee purchase. So make sure it's a valid option accepted by Shopee, and if you're using a credit or debit card, then ensure it's still active. Then take a moment to verify the accuracy of your payment details. Check the card number, expiration date, CVV to make sure everything is entered correctly. Now, check the available balance in your account or credit card. It's essential to confirm that there are sufficient funds to cover the purchase. If the balance is low, then consider adding funds or using an alternative payment method. And I just want to add that if you recently moved or updated your billing address, then make sure that the information matches the details associated with your payment method. Sometimes mismatched addresses can lead to checkout rejections. And that's it. If you've gone through these steps and are still facing issues with checkout rejections, then consider reaching out to Shopee's customer support. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.